Hey everybody, I'm Robert the Zombie Bargain Hunter, and today, this is day 3, well week 2, day 3 of me opening up 3 of these Pixar boxes. First week we opened 1 box a day, and second week was 2 boxes, third week was 2 boxes, and now we have graduated to 3 boxes a day. I bought a lot. There was a huge sale, and I only wanted to get like 8 cases, and wound up getting closer to 10. So yeah, we have a bunch of boxes open. Hopefully we can find a winner today. No, so far we haven't hit a winner this whole week. Well, day 3, so I mean it's not a full week yet, but we did hit some awesome cards. If you were here with me yesterday, I was kind of down in the dumps. No good cards at all pulled, and then we hit that awesome patch card turning red. So there's only 1 to 2 patch cards per case. Most of the time there's only 1, so it is super rare to find 2 patch cards in a case. But we hit them. We hit the Soul the first day, and we hit May yesterday. Oh, 3 days, no winners. But we've hit every single day, so hopefully the luck continues. If not, we still have fun doing this, right? Or at least I have fun doing it. I don't know what you guys are doing. Maybe you guys are cooking dinner or something. Alright, first cards. Let's see. We got Jesse and we have May. So if you need any cards, let me know. Plushgamesandmore.com. We'll take you to my eBay. Buzz Lightyear with Zurg. And Lotso. Oh, we have Bob Parr and Jack. And Merida. Very few Brave cards that I've come across this last couple cases. So, hopefully, come across a few more Brave cards, because when I make sets, I am low on Brave cards. Another card that's hard to get is the Remy by himself, the rat by himself, the dirty rat. Here's a movie quote. If you sit on a shelf for the rest of your life, you will never know. Oh, you'll never find out. My bad. I've said it so many times that I don't even read it anymore. So of course I mess it up. We have an awesome Buzz and a Russell. Got a lot of up cards this last few boxes. We haven't been getting much Nemo cards either. Finding Nemo, finding Dory. So hopefully start finding some. There we go. Speaking about the devil, there's 2 ups. That's what I get for talking about it, and I get more. That's Maylin Lee and May. I really should watch that movie. It looks cool. Soul card and an Nemo card. But then I gotta get Disney Plus, and I'm too cheap for that. Come on, let's find a gold card or something good. Or maybe a legendary 1-of-1 card. We get the Brave triplets. And we got Jesse. There's another Jessie. Getting the Jessies now. Come on, what good card are we going to find today? We have Remy the Dirty Rat. And the Claw. We have the Wall-E movie quote. I don't want to survive, I want to live. Almost threw away the card instead of throwing the right wrapper, so that wouldn't have been good. There we go, that's the what I was talking about, the rat by itself. I hardly have any of those. Oh, there we go. Found a nice gold card. What is it? Oh, we got double Bob. We got bobbed. Let's see the number on him. 92 out of 199. So, and what is this guy? 90 out of 199. So, we're only missing 91, right? We'll have the triple Bob. Watch next couple packs we'll have them. That would be awesome. Actually, I prefer diversity, but hey, what are you gonna do? I'll take what I can get. Without hitting a winner box, we're doing pretty well. No winner box, and we have, what, 4 pretty good winners. Oh, we have a soul card. This one's usually damaged. This one actually looks pretty good. I'm not sure, but I do know I'm going to live every minute of it. Yeah, those cards for some reason came out of the factory. Most of them came out of the factory damaged. So, happy to find one that isn't. Yeah, there's usually a dent on the front, or there's a mark somewhere on it. I don't know what they did to those poor cards. Got a Jack and a Ham. Got a ton of Jacks. Got a ton of Russell too. Got a Woody, and I put my dirty finger on his face. Poor Woody. Sorry, Woody. I got a cleaning cloth over here. I'll wipe you off. Mr. Whiskers. And we got a Dory. We got a Dirty Dory. Meme and a Lotso. And the last pack. We have Wall-E looking at a weed. He likes weeds. Alright, let's see what's in the case cards. Let's see. Oh, we have. This is an Easter egg. I don't know, is it the right way up? There we go. I had it upside down. I'm like, oh, that looked weird. Easter eggs are just moments that are in different films that they like blow up. Oh, we have a 3D Finding Nemo. And last but not least, we have Wall-E 3D. Sorry, I'm rushing a little bit. I saw the timer. It's like 9 minutes already. So please give the video a thumbs up. Subscribe if you're new. And don't fiddle fart around. Get all your listings up. If you're on TikTok, get over to YouTube. Take care, everybody. Bye.